Okay, in this video, we are going to do the turn-in process for the 330 floor plan. Now, when we come to floor plans, we usually end up getting a bunch of different views that shows our house in different angles, different views of that. So starting out, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to do an ISO view of our actual house. So we're going to click the lower right ISO view. And the lower right ISO view shows us our room. All right, south side, north side, we see most of the details, and I like that view. So what I'm going to do right there is I'm going to come over here and make a scene for that, meaning hit plus. All right, we're going to call that scene ISO, meaning isometric or in a 3D kind of form where you can see numerous angles. Now, the next view that we want to have is we want to have two views that show our most details, and these are going to be elevation plans. The elevation plan first will be our front, which is going to be the view from our south-facing wall. And what we're going to do then is we're going to also hit plus to make a new scene, and we're going to call this scene south elevation. All right. Now, in our elevation plans, usually we can see some data, meaning there's usually a measurement on the edge over here showing how tall that piece is, and there might be also some other dimensions, all right? Maybe the overall footprint, okay, overall length. Now, once we have that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing on the opposite, and that is the back. Zooming in, zooming back, or zooming out, zooming back in to put it in the middle. We also want to have our north elevation, so we're going to hit plus, and we're going to type in, after we click on scene, north elevation. And the last one we want to have is a top looking down. So we're going to click on the middle piece here, which is the top view. And before we change, actually, we are going to make this a scene, but after we make it a scene, we're going to actually change the way it looks too, as far as the different type of, style that it's in, styles. So I'm going to put plus right there. This is going to be called floor plan. And right now I'm not able to click in, floor plan. And I'm just going to go 330. All right. And then after I have that, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go over to here to styles, which is 2 up from our movie board clapper. Select that, and I want to go and find, right now I think I'm in the search portion, default styles, and then the second one over from the main one is called wireframe. Select that. When you select that, you should be able to go down to your floor plan, and you should be able to update that. So we want to update that floor scene. Hit OK. And that should turn that scene into being a wireframe view, which shows our windows and our door locations. All right. We should also have in this view our dimensions going to those centers of our doors. All right. So if we don't have those right now, we want to add that by clicking on the endpoint, going to the midpoint, and just drag that out. Endpoint, midpoint, drag that out. And we want to do that for our windows and our doors. Now, once we have all those details on there, our turn-in for this assignment is just going to be a screenshot showing our assignment with our scenes open and clicked on the floor plan. So I can see your ISO view has been made. I can see your south elevation, north elevation in your floor plan. This is the submission for the 330 assignment floor plan. Thank you for watching. Hope it was helpful. Have a good day.